Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini Ace sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Gemini, Ace sign, Gemini, what's going on? Under the deck, Ten of Wands, Judgment, and Page of Wands, and Two of Wands. You are thinking about someone a lot, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. Maybe you have options, but you are thinking about them a lot. And someone want to communicate with you, they want to text you, they want to message you, and you both have age differences between you and your person, and you are going to make some major decision regarding this relationship. For some, maybe you are going through some legal issues, or your person maybe right now you're feeling overburdened, maybe your emotions are running high. For some, you are doing a lot of work. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ten of Cups, the Hermit, and Seven of Wands. You want this happiness from your person, but it was not happen in past. Ten of Cups happiness. Maybe third party involved in this connection. Your person is already married with other person, and family could be the issue here. Then you isolated from all. Then you are taking rest, and you are healing, and then you decided to defend yourself. You are protecting your emotions, because in this relationship they always in and out of your life. This is on and off connection. You fed up with this energy. Then present Eight of Cups, Nine of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. So you walked away from this connection, Gemini. You are guarded up right now. You are defensive, and you are focusing on your money. You total focus on your abundance, on your money. You want to create more money. You are searching for more options to create more money through multiple options. Then future, Three of Swords, Three of Cups, and Ten of Pentacles. Definitely after walked away, you still missing them. You still feeling heartbroken, because lots of you are involved in third party. But there is celebration in your life, especially in your career. There will be financial stability is coming, and lot of abundance is coming. Definitely your career is very good, your money is very good, but in relationship wise, you are heartbroken, you are missing them. But this is a temporary energy, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or especially Virgo. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Under the deck, Ten of Cups, Ace of Swords, Magician, and High Priestess. Right now your person listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. For some, maybe your person is a manipulator or player. They want to communicate with you, they want to say some truth. So they want Ten of Cups happiness with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Gemini. For some, your person is already married, having kids with other person. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Lovers. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Yeah, they're still hoping for this connection. Maybe once you gone, they started realizing your worth. Now they are feeling that you are their sunshine, you are their happiness. Yes, they want to say apology to you. There is some communication, text is coming. They want second chances with you, Gemini. Your person is very, very independent person, especially emotionally and financially. They really want to come forward. And Knight of Pentacles. This time they're serious about you. They're looking very, very serious about you. But they're in very slow moving energy. They do love you. Love is there. So let's see their intentions. Okay. Some cycles are ended already. Some going to be begin between you and your person. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. Living in different cities, countries or states. They're missing you. Yeah. In past, maybe they neglected you, they ghosted you. Now they really want to offer commitment, offer equal give and take. They're realizing their mistake. Definitely they want to communicate with you. This time they're coming back with offer. They're waiting for right time to approach you. They want a brand new beginnings with you, Gemini. See, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. You both love each other a lot. It's a mutual love. Yes, they do love you. They want a brand new beginnings with you. But they're waiting for right time. They're missing you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Ten of Cups. They want this happiness. Ten of Cups happiness with you. They still want rebirth. Your person is very, very sad without you. In past, they ghosted you, they neglected you. But now, they realized their mistake. And you are focusing on your money. Yes, your total focus on your money, on your abundance, because 8 of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles. You have no time for these emotions anymore. But somewhere you're still waiting on them. But you are not making any move. You're still waiting on them. They have to make a move towards you. Yes, they're coming back. For some, a brand new person is coming into your life very soon. So let's see mutual energies. Here, a lot of earth energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini. See, Wheel of Fortune. Definitely there is no equal give and take in this connection in past. But divine timing. Definitely you both wishing, you both hoping. Definitely both want each other. But you are focusing on yourself, on your abundance, but they are making their move. Definitely they will make a move towards you. They're at some crossroads, maybe you both are at some crossroads, but you both have a lot of passion towards each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. Second chance, yes, they are coming back for second chances. True love. I realized my mistake. Yes, they are realizing their mistake. And I want you back. So the messages are second chance, true love. I realized my mistake and I want you back. So these are the messages from your person and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Gemini. But here one thing is very, very positive, that is you are focusing on your money, you are focusing on yourself. That is very, very good. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. So if you're doing a consistent hard work, definitely your hard work is already paying off. If not, in near future, it will pay off. And nothing will come of the situation. So for some, right now, there is a no chance. Maybe there are a lot of issues, but this is not a message for all. This is for only few. and under the deck, confidence is your key to success. Yeah, for some it will take time right now because your person is slow moving energy. So yes, divine timing is the key also here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.